The next person I'm going to introduce is one of the leaders in today's community, someone who led the effort in getting 2,600 people vaccinated in the BIPARK community this weekend. Someone, despite the state having a quote-unquote glitch where we registered over 3,000 people, stayed the path. This person is someone who I consider a friend. This is someone who I will advocate for. This is Dr. Muñoz.
Together we rise. Can you hear me? Okay. You know, I was thinking about what to say as I was driving over. And I just want to start by saying that this is a movement of people. It has to be a movement of people if we want to see these systems transformed. And not just transformed, but built anew. You know, 500 years before our communities were racialized, before we were called Black and Latino and Asian and Indigenous, 500 years before that, there was an African priest by the name of Thomas Aquinas that said, justice, that is, mercy without justice is the mother of disillusion. But justice without mercy is cruelty. And it's interesting that our racialized communities find themselves at the side of the coin that is subject to cruelty. And so when are we going to realize that it's going to take a movement of people, a community rising up to build a system of public safety that benefits us rather than subjects us to a level of cruelty that time and time again we see and we call out but do nothing else? We don't affect programmatic change. So my call to youth here today is to run for city council. Run for town committee. Run for state office. Take out the reps that do not have the courage, do not have the political courage to advocate for you and to advocate for the children that you will have and the grandchildren that they will have. It is 2021. We have had Black lives lost to a virus as a result of systemic inequities that we see in healthcare systems. We have seen abuses and police brutality perpetuated in a time where we should see unity. If you do not rise today, if you do not rise now, then you have no excuse tomorrow.
Come on now, say that.
You will have no excuse tomorrow. My name is Daniel Muñoz. I stand with the community leaders here. I stand with the community leaders that are not here, but we're there Saturday saving lives with vaccines, and we'll be here at the Dunkin' Donuts Center saving more lives this weekend. And if you will be our accomplice to change, if you decide to stand with us and to transform the systems, to create systems anew here in Rhode Island, to affect a level of change and revolution that we need to see across the country, then you'll be there with us.